Ever felt like the big banks just don't get you? Like they're these giant, faceless corporations more interested in nickel-and-diming you with hidden fees than actually helping you manage your money? Well, that's where challenger banks like Relay come in. They promise a new kind of banking experience, one that's mobile-first, fee-free, and puts you in control. But with all the hype, a big question pops up. Can you trust them with your hard-earned cash? In today's video, we're diving deep into Relay Bank. We'll dissect their features, security measures, and online reputation to see if they live up to their promises. So, buckle up, financially savvy friends, because it's time to crack the code on Relay Bank and see if it's the key to unlocking a better banking experience. The rise of challenger banks. Let's rewind a bit. For decades, traditional banks have reigned supreme. They were the gatekeepers of our finances, the only real game in town. But with the rise of smartphones and the internet, a financial revolution began. Enter challenger banks. These are tech-driven startups offering an alternative to the old guard. They ditch the brick-and-mortar branches and operate entirely online, focusing on a streamlined mobile experience. Here in Nigeria, Relay is one of the leading challengers, promising a fuss-free banking experience with zero monthly fees, easy money transfers, and budgeting tools. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump ship from your current bank, let's see if the hype matches reality. A deep dive into Relay's features. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. What exactly does Relay offer? Here are some of their key features. Mobile-first approach. Everything is done through their app, from account opening to managing your finances. No need to waste time waiting in long queues at a bank branch. Free bank accounts. Unlike traditional banks that love to hit you with monthly maintenance charges, Relay boasts zero account fees. That's more money staying in your pocket. Easy money transfers. Sending and receiving money should be effortless, and Relay promises just that. They offer quick and free transfers between Relay accounts, and potentially even to other banks in Nigeria. Be sure to check their fees for external transfers. Budgeting tools. Relay aims to empower you with your finances. Their budgeting tools help you categorize your spending, track your progress towards savings goals, and hopefully, keep you on the right financial track. Security measures. Security is paramount when it's your money on the line. Relay assures users of their commitment to data protection with encryption and fraud prevention measures. However, it's always wise to do your own research to understand their specific security protocols. So far, so good. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Lifting the veil, potential concerns with Relay Bank. While Relay paints the rosy picture, there are a few things to consider before completely diving in. Limited features. Compared to traditional banks, challenger banks often have a more limited range of features. Relay might not offer things like investment options, safety deposit boxes, or extensive loan options. Newer player on the block. Unlike established banks with a long history, Relay is a relatively new player. This might raise concerns for some folks about their long-term stability. Deposit insurance. Here in Nigeria, the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, insures your deposits up to a certain limit in case a bank fails. It's crucial to check if Relay falls under NDIC's insurance scheme. This information should be readily available on their website or app. The verdict, is Relay Bank trustworthy? So, can you trust Relay Bank with your hard-earned cash? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Here's the deal. Relay offers a compelling package, a fee-free, mobile-centric banking experience with budgeting tools. But they are a newer player with potentially limited features compared to traditional banks. The decision ultimately boils down to your priorities. If you're a tech-savvy individual who prioritizes a convenient, mobile-first experience and doesn't require extensive features, Relay could be a great fit. However, if you value the security and wider range of services offered by established banks, or need features like investment options or safety deposit boxes, Relay might not be the best choice for you. Here's what you should do before making the switch.